everyone, it's a very big hello to all of the followers of Queensmere Shopping Centre. Thank you so much for tuning in and joining me for this video. Now I'm here to let you know that in the following weeks, Queensmere Shopping Centre are going to be releasing a series of videos featuring some different crafts using things that you will be able to find around your home. So stay tuned for those and look out for the instructions as well. Thanks everyone, bye! Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in and joining me online for today's craft video. Now the craft that I've got for you today is something that you're going to be able to hang outside on a branch on a tree to attract some lovely birdies to your garden, because the craft are these lovely little bird houses made on the cheap. Do you get it? Sorry, I love a pun. Using an empty juice or a milk carton. So all you're going to need if you decide that you'd like to make your own one of these, you'll need your empty juice or milk carton. You'll either need some paint or some colouring in pens to decorate it and make it look as bright and colourful as you can. You will need either a wooden stick or a paper straw that can actually go through the carton so the birds have a ledge to sit on. You will need some scissors as there is a bit of cutting involved, so make sure that you've got adult supervision for those bits so that you can cut a square out to the front, and also make sure you've either got some wool or perhaps some string so that you can tie a little bit up here so that you can hang it from a branch outside. And I have got some awesome bird facts that I'd love to dazzle you with today. So bird fact number one. Did you know that there are actually over 10,000 different species of bird around the world? 10,000! Give it a go, see if you can list every bird you know. See if you can make it up to 10, let alone 10,000. And bird fact number two. Did you know that penguins can actually jump 6 foot in the air? See if you can jump as high as a penguin can. And my third and final super cool bird fact is that hummingbirds, when they lay their eggs are actually smaller than the size of a jelly bean. How cute is that? Hopefully you've enjoyed my bird facts, and hopefully you decide that you'd like to make one of these at home as well. Thank you so much for tuning in everyone. Bye!